Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, we're back, and today I'm going to show you how to make a plane with Skittles. Okay, let's go. Okay. So to make your plane with Skittles, just get a few Skittles. And remember guys, there isn't a wrong way or a right way to do this. It's all about just having fun and using your imagination. So yes, just quickly make a shape of a plane. So you can see here is a plane shape. So it's all about using your imagination. There isn't a wrong way and there isn't a right way to do this. It's all about having some fun and using your imagination to create whatever you like. So I'm gonna try and make a fighter jet, because that is my favorite plane when I was a kid, was a fighter jet. They are so cool and so fast. It is my favorite type of plane. So now I'm going to go and make the tail of the plane. So there we are. And I'm just gonna add the wings. And as you can see, the plane is starting to take some shape. There we go. I can add one more here for the back. Then we can add another wing here. And here we go guys. Then add some smoke to the plane. It's going so fast. There we go, some smoke. And then lastly, if you like, you can add the tail longer. And here we are. And that is how you make a plane using just Skittles. As you can see guys, very easy. There isn't a wrong way, there isn't a right way. It's just about using your imagination and just creating what you want. And now we are in lockdown, so there is no better way to use your imagination and create stuff out of Skittles. There you go guys, this is how you make a plane just using Skittles. If you like what you see, then like the video, subscribe, and I will show you more stuff to make using Skittles. As always guys, believe that.